Did you know that exercise is actually a form of healing? When you move with intention, you're telling your body, hey, I still need you. We're still in this. You're signaling to every muscle fiber and every joint, wake up, we still got work to do, we still got life to live. Over the years, you might have been taught by a coach or even yourself that exercise is punishment for choices you've made in the past. But it really isn't. Exercise is a form of self-love. You are showing yourself that you are worth it, that you are a priority, and that you're gonna do everything in your power to cherish and care for this vessel that you call your body. Even if that vessel is damaged or out of fuel, exercise can heal those wounds, and slowly you'll start seeing the light. Even if you've been living in darkness for the longest time, little by little, you will get there. Just remember to be kind and gentle with yourself along the way. The exercises that I teach is the beginning of that healing. And I know that you can find that strength within you to start. You already have it. It's in you. I mean, you've fought your hardest days and you're still here watching this video. It's just on you to start that process. And I know you can. You totally got this.